This is a man who walks without stepping on any gaps. Every day, he carries a backpack with nothing in it. It's the only way he can navigate the complex terrain. If he doesn't have a backpack, he'll put something under his feet, but he never steps on any gaps. In addition, he has a strong compulsion for symmetry, like pushing his glasses or looking at his watch. Everything has to be symmetrical. He even had 2 girlfriends at once. That's why he came to the hospital for treatment, and he found out that all the people who came here, all of them suffer from some kind of obsessive compulsive disorder. For example, this woman would never open a door with her hands. If she touches something by accident, she'd disinfect and wash her hands 100 times. What's even weirder is that she's a biologist. She works with viruses every day. That's why she disinfects her desk hundreds of times a day. Even the floor she steps on has to be cleaned again and again. Compared to women, Tom's obsessive compulsive disorder is life-threatening because he can't stop swearing, especially in crowded places. So he opened a pet store to get away from the crowds. But business was never good because the parrots he sold only talk dirty. In the last hour, Tom had already cursed 893 times, and it was Nick who counted them. Nick was obsessed with counting. Whenever a number comes up, he has to count it. For example, he can't stop counting the steps when he's going up a flight of stairs. Nick is a cab driver. Even when he's driving, he counts the cars on the road. Once he passed a place with a lot of railings. He got out of his car and started counting them. He ended up locking his customer in the car. The customer complained. These OCD patients came to the hospital together for treatment. The receptionist told them that the doctor was on his way. The doctor is still on his way and needs to wait. But as soon as the receptionist left, Tom's compulsive swearing started. He started cursing and swearing. The man jumped on the couch to avoid stepping on the cracks. He jumped on the couch to avoid stepping on the cracks. The woman saw the man step on her tissue. She immediately ran to the bathroom and threw the tissue away, and started washing her hands like crazy. Nick was counting the number of times Tom cursed, and then he starts counting how often the woman washes her hands. They all started to perform obsessive compulsive behavior.